Stop scrolling. The only French fry sauce you'll ever need. 4 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon ketchup, 1 teaspoon chili sauce, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, pinch of salt. Take a clean mixing bowl. Add 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise into the bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Add 1 teaspoon of chili sauce. Mix everything slowly until smooth and creamy. Now add 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. Add 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Squeeze in 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Add a pinch of salt. Mix again until everything is fully combined and silky. Dip your hot fries into this creamy sauce and enjoy instantly. Like, subscribe and comment sauce for more quick recipes.